Okay, so I just read something that completely blew my mind. Did you know that runaway AI agents could actually burn through thousands of dollars in no time?
Wait, seriously? I always thought tools just monitored those costs after the damage was done. What's happening exactly?
Exactly. Imagine your AI makes constant API calls in a loop, like a hamster on a wheel, but the wheel is draining your wallet.
Oh, that's really interesting because it highlights how we need proactive tools, not just reactive ones. Conventional monitoring is too late.
Right? It's like driving without a speedometer and only realizing you're speeding when you get pulled over.
Exactly. So what's the solution to this runaway cost problem? I can't imagine how anyone could afford to constantly monitor.
Enter AgentGuard. It automatically stops your process before it goes into financial overdrive. It's such a lifesaver.
Wow, so it actively monitors usage during the session. That changes everything. How does it work?
Well, you just add 2 lines of code to your project and it tracks your API costs in real time. It's pretty magical.
That gives me chills. So as soon as you hit your budget limit, it can halt everything?
Exactly. Imagine coding without the anxiety of watching your costs skyrocket. It makes experimentation so much safer.
Wow, that's so empowering for developers. Wait, what happens to the ongoing processes when it stops?
Great question. It throws a recoverable error so you can handle it gracefully instead of just crashing everything.
Oh, that's such a smart design choice. Like giving you a parachute instead of just nosediving from the sky.
Ha ha, exactly. And it provides a detailed savings report after stopping. It's like having a personal finance advisor for your code.
And I love that it can integrate with existing AI projects easily without much hassle.
Totally. Plus, it even supports Redis for multi-process tracking, which is just next level.
Wait, are you saying you can manage multiple running AI agents under one budget? That's genius.
Yes, think of it like pooling resources for a group project, so everyone doesn't end up spending wildly.
That's really clever. And from a budgeting perspective, this could save startups and developers tons of money.
For sure. Developers can experiment and iterate without the fear of runaway costs ruining their plans.
And what about the different modes? I saw something about throw, notify, and kill.
Great catch. Each mode gives you a way to control how aggressive the protection is. You can customize based on your needs.
That's super flexible. It sounds like it can cater to everyone, from newbies to experienced pros.
Exactly. You could even adjust the budget dynamically based on what you're working on at the moment.
Whoa, so you could prioritize certain projects by increasing the budget if needed. That's such a game changer.
Right? And the privacy protections are fantastic, redacting sensitive data from logs. That's so crucial.
Definitely. Nobody wants sensitive info floating around after a project. Privacy should always be top of mind.
Totally. I think this tool is going to redefine how developers engage with AI.
For sure. I mean, it's like giving developers a safety net while they explore the wild world of AI.
Exactly. The more I learn, the more it feels like we're only just scratching the surface here.
So true. I wonder how many developers have encountered runaway costs without knowing this tool existed.
Right? It's like finding an umbrella on a rainy day. You had no idea how much you needed it until it started pouring.
Haha, I love that analogy. This could seriously help prevent financial storms in coding.
And for startups trying to innovate quickly, this is a recipe for success without financial risks.
Absolutely. It's like freeing them to dream big without the constant worry of financial setbacks.
I can't wait to see how people start using AgentGuard to shape the future of AI projects.
Me too. It's thrilling to think about all the creative possibilities when developers can innovate without limits.
So what's your one takeaway from all this? This is such a paradigm shift for the AI developer community.
Honestly, it's a game changer in terms of risk mitigation. Knowing this tool exists makes me feel safer as a developer.
Totally. It promises to empower not just developers, but the entire tech ecosystem moving forward.
Absolutely. It makes me wonder what new innovations will unfold when costs aren't a barrier anymore.
Exactly. Who knows what groundbreaking projects will emerge from this newfound freedom?
And it'll be so exciting to see how this tool continues to evolve and help manage costs more effectively.
I'm all in on this. It feels like the dawn of a new era in AI development.